What most traders normally focus on is making profit. Most traders don't think about protecting their account. And then at the end of the day, they can't handle losses. It's a pleasure to have you here. Today is the 1st of December. And of course, this is the last month in 2021. The market would gradually be rounding up shortly as due to the holiday season, the market's liquidity is going to gradually thin out. So how to avoid unnecessary losses is what I'm going to be talking about today. This is something that happened yesterday on the dollar Swizzy. And if you look at what we have in front of us, this was a key area here of flip zone. Yes, flip zone. We've talked about flip zone earlier. You can watch the previous video where we talked about flip zone, where we have it acting as support, resistance, support. And then we were expecting this area here to hold as support, right? And then this was prior to Powell's speech, the Fed chair, Federal Reserve Chair Powell. And of course, he was giving his discussion on tapering and all. And then this was the reaction. But even before the reaction, you will notice something. You notice that when the price got here, we had this big candle down. Okay, let me zoom in a bit for us to have a better look at this. Right, there was this big candle down, right? And then from the big candle down that we had here, normally for you to enter, it'd be good for you to have some sort of price action candle, probably like the hammers or engulfers. But then when this happened, the next candle that formed was this. And of course, this is the spinning top. And this spinning top was already outside the level of interest. And then this came out just before the speech by Powell. And then, of course, as you can see, all hell broke loose. And then we had this massive candle that was formed after the breakout. But if you notice something, in this area, we didn't have any price action candlestick formation whatsoever to give off that, long position, right? To give us the trigger to enter longs. And this is how I avoid unnecessary losses. So sharing this with you in order for you to know, okay, great, this is what you're supposed to do before you enter the market, and not just entering the market blindly. This would save a lot of traders today. You need to flash back and look at the year thus far, right? All the losses you had, could you have prevented most of them? If the answer is yes, then you need to work on prevention of unnecessary losses. And trust me, your trading will catapult. Your trading will move to the next level. Everything at the end of the day has to do with support and resistance price action. And of course, once you can combine this together, understanding the area of interest, understanding the reaction, how the market moves to that area of interest, and then also understanding the trigger, what you're going to use to trigger, meaning what you're going to use to enter. Example, the price action candles that we talked about that we didn't have any here, and then it breached the area. If you don't have that, then of course, no trade. So everything must align together at the end of the day. Now, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button. And if you are new to the joint, to this section, to this channel, then do subscribe. It helps the algorithm, and of course it helps me to grow. And there's a free course in the description below as well for you to learn the price action, support and resistance strategy that would help you to place trades with confidence and of course be profitable at the end of the day. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of the day. Happy new month once again, and God bless you all. Thank you.